Yo guys, Arakunrin Damola here again. Do you know that you can now post 1 minute video right on your WhatsApp status? So before now it used to be 30 seconds video, so you post it. So if you have a 1 minute video, you can only post a 30-second video, and you can post that 2 times on your status until you have a 1 minute video. Right now with the new WhatsApp update, you can post 1 minute video. All right, so this video, for instance, you can see here that instead of 30 seconds it's 1 minute. Okay, so you can post the video like so. Okay, and when you go to your status right now, you will see what I'm talking about in a bit. This particular video that I uploaded is 49 seconds. Okay, 49 seconds right there, and this one is 1 minute. So you see what I'm talking about. You only need to update your WhatsApp status. So if you have not yet updated your WhatsApp status, go and do that right now to be able to have this 1 minute video feature. And if you like this video, consider following for more videos like this.